Guys, buying a brand new car these days is not only about कि आपको एक sedan, hatchback या फिर SUV सूट करेगी. It has also increasingly now become more important कि आप कौन सा fuel और drive train type choose कर रहे हैं. Is a petrol और diesel car good for you या फिर CNG और electric देगा आपको better bang for your buck? To be honest, buying a brand new car in 2026 has become a really hectic process, especially considering the rising fuel prices and the changing policy. However, there is also the strong hybrid car जो चलती है both petrol और electric power पे, giving you the freedom of an ICE vehicle at half the running cost of a petrol only car. और इंडिया के बढ़ते फ्यूल क्राइसिस और चेंजिंग पॉलिसीज के बीच में द एक्शन इन द स्ट्रॉन्ग हाइब्रिड सेगमेंट इज ऑल सेट टू हीट अप. So here are 5 new strong hybrid SUVs that I would hold my breath for if I was planning to buy a new car anytime soon. Number 1 पर आ जाता है the Renault Duster Hybrid. Now Renault has recently relaunched the Duster, which had been a popular option among SUV buyers in the times gone by. मगर रेनो का ब्रांड न्यू डस्टर देता है आपको हाईटेक फीचर्स, एक बुश डिजाइन एंड ऑल्सो 3 डिफरेंट इंजन ऑप्शंस. नाउ अपार्ट फ्रॉम द 1 लीटर एंड 1.3 लीटर टर्बो पेट्रोल इंजन्स, द डस्टर विल सून बी अवेलेबल इन अ स्ट्रॉन्ग हाइब्रिड सेटअप एज वेल, जिसमें आपको एक मिलेगा 1.8 लीटर का नेचुरली एस्पिरेटेड पेट्रोल इंजन दैट वर्क्स इन टैंडम विद 2 इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर्स. ओवरऑल इस सिस्टम का कंबाइंड पावर आउटपुट होगा around 160 horsepower and 172 Newton meters of torque. Now it will be interesting to see if existing strong hybrid buyers will move from popular choices towards the Renault Duster for a more attractive proposition that it promises to be. अब इस hybrid SUV का launch is scheduled for the festive season around the Diwali time in November. And considering that Renault has been on schedule with the other 2 engine options, it seems to be that the hybrid Duster will be here very soon. अब festive season की बात कर ही रहे हैं तो then there will be another attractive proposition for you in the coming time, because according to reports, Honda is working on the Elevate Hybrid, which can come as soon as November or early 2027. Honda ने recently अपनी City EHEV को भी एक massive facelift दिया है and the brand has had the technology for decades. After the recent success of the Elevate in the domestic market and global markets alike, it is expected that Honda might be working on the Elevate Hybrid to corner the strong hybrid game in the right time frame. And if the Elevate strong hybrid comes into existence, we can expect it to be priced around rupees 21 to rupees 25 lakh ex showroom, जो इसको काफी competitive बना देगा against existing strong hybrid SUVs from rival companies. Number 3 पर आ जाता है India's largest car maker, which is Maruti Suzuki, and who are reportedly working on a strong hybrid version of their popular Fronx SUV. Now the brand recently showcased the WagonR Flex Fuel, which shows that they are working heavily on alternative fuels and supporting drivetrains. The Fronx Hybrid, on the other hand, has been spotted testing several times and is expected to have a mileage figure of 30 to 35 kilometers to the liter. If Maruti Suzuki is able to pull it off in time, then the Fronx Hybrid will be a superb alternative to petrol-only cars in the entry-level affordable segment, and could mark a new path for the brand in the country. Assuming that everything is on track, we can expect the Fronx Hybrid to start being showcased by early 2027. Number 4 पर आ जाता है Renault का Bridger SUV. Now, under its future-ready strategy going forward, Renault is clearly moving towards building a portfolio of strong hybrid cars along with other models as well. और इसी में होगा the sub-4 meter SUV called the Bridger, जिसका concept we have seen earlier in 2026. The car has been showcased and it will be coming to the Indian market. And you see where this is going, right? Because जहां पर एक प्रीमियम सेगमेंट में आपको आज तक स्ट्रॉन्ग हाइब्रिड गाड़ियां मिलती थी for which you had to pay extra money, now these technologies are trickling down towards the more mass market segments of vehicles, which means that they are going to be much more affordable than they have been earlier. As for the Renault Bridger strong hybrid, you can expect to see it no sooner than late 2027. Moving on, let's move to the 5th upcoming hybrid SUV on this list, which is the BYD Seal U Super PHEV. Now, PHEV means that it will be a plug-in hybrid and not a strong hybrid car, जिसका मतलब है कि you will still need an EV charging point to charge this SUV. But according to BYD, Seal U का plug-in hybrid system इसको एक overall range देगा of 1200 kilometers on a full tank of petrol and a full battery charge. वहीं पे इस गाड़ी में आपको EV only range देखने को मिल जाएगी of 200 kilometers and the hybrid system will be powered by a 1.5 liter petrol engine. Now the hybrid SUV has already been showcased in India and we expect BYD to send more official confirmations by the Diwali season. Now compared to a traditional petrol only car जिसकी range होती है around 300 to 500 kilometers on a full tank of fuel, ये हाइब्रिड गाड़ियां आपको देती हैं अ रेंज ऑफ वेल ओवर 900 किलोमीटर्स एंड ओवर, विच मींस दैट यू पे द सेम अमाउंट बट ट्रैवल ट्वाइस एज मच। प्लस ना इनको चार्ज करने का झंझट होता है और ना ही आपको लंबी लंबी सीएनजी की लाइन में खड़ा होना पड़ेगा टू गेट दीज कार्स फ्यूल्ड अप। एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई बिलीव दैट इन द नियर फ्यूचर these strong hybrid alternatives might become more common than they are right now, and that will not be necessarily a bad thing. What are your thoughts on the strong hybrid technology and which of these 5 SUVs will you be waiting for in the coming time? Let me know in the comments and please do not forget to like this video and share it with your friends if you found it valuable. Until next time, this is Amber Banerjee signing out.